Hey, good day guys. Welcome to my channel. Now I will teach you how to add lots of application in your smart TV. Stay tuned. First thing you need to do, go to the channel. There's a channel. Press menu in your remote control and go to the system. Go to setup and press 40. Okay, next step, go to next. Okay, next. By the way, you need to connect to your wireless network. Mine is connected. Press next. If you're using Smart term and condition, now just press, and this is what you wanna press. Press mute button, return button, volume up, and channel up, and mute again. Okay, you see pull apps in your service location, page setup. Okay, and you will choose United States. I'm from the Philippines and I will choose United States, and that's it. You're gonna go and choose the location setup and press next, and that's all you need to do. Thank you, and comment down below for any questions. Thank you guys. I will just fast forward this video for you to see. Thanks. Subscribe.